So, how do you actually use EP with math in grades 11 and 12? This approach combines deliberate practice, assessment as learning, and descriptive feedback. Teachers maintain ownership of instruction, while EP works to surface misconceptions, reinforce key strategies, and provide students with repeated, purposeful exposure to complex problems. The result is clearer insight into student thinking and more precise instructional next steps. First, navigate to our Discover tab and locate the courses you're teaching. In the Discover tab, locate the grade you would like to pull material from, and the relevant courses are linked at the top to explore. Once inside a course, you can find our targeted practice sets there. Next, preview our practice question sets for learners. Once inside the Discover tab and course, you can browse by strand and click into the targeted practice sets available. You have options here of how you would like to filter materials out to students. Assign our targeted practice sets as an assessment. This mimics assessment conditions for students. They will not receive feedback on answers and will cycle through as if taking a quiz. This is a great option if you want to get some quick data into how students are progressing on their own, set as a mini assessment. Or assign our practice sets as a lesson so students can practice concepts, receive immediate feedback, and work at their own pace to complete tasks. Once in student mode in both our assessments and lessons, students have access to our accessibility tools. They can use a question reader, calculator, and handwriting tools. Perhaps as educators, we want a quick check for understanding or receive some data from our EP report about students struggling with a specific expectation. Using our EP Create tool, you can author questions yourselves or with AI in minutes. Offered in various languages, this tool can help you pull students for a quick, quiz-based check for understanding or with your whole class as an entrance or exit ticket. Our AI tool is aligned to the curriculum and only educators interact with AI here. And continue to differentiate content for students by using our EP authoring and editing tools. Drag and drop components you already teach with, edit text, and provide multiple ways to be able to answer questions by sliding on one of our student answering tools. We can gather data on student progress whether we assign as a lesson or an assessment. Our lesson reports focus on accuracy, feedback, and monitoring student attention and progress. Use our assessment report to get an overview of performance and help identify common misconceptions in skills.